All right. Hi once again. Let's have a quick recap of the previous week and look forward to another one. So, what should be done during the previous week? So you should be completed the cross check of the week number two of the bookshop and submit the shelter week three along with passing the CSS Flex module. As for today, the cross-check for the Shelter Week 3 has been already launched, so you need to perform the cross-check for random works of the students. Along with the cross-check, I just recently submitted the link to the Shelter Week 4. Basically, this is about implementing additional functionality like pop-up or sliders. So please get acquainted with the requirements for the shelter week 4. Along with the shelter, another learning module is to be passed, which is about CSS Grid. And as usual, the test regarding this module should also pass. Additionally, since this is the last week of the stage 1, on this week, we're going to distribute all of you among available mentors. We'll try to do it in such a way to meet the language preferences of both mentors and students. But there is no any guarantee that your future mentor will possess your native language skills, so that in case if it won't happen, the communication will be handled in English. But we're trying to do the best based on available students and mentors. Um, since like the mentors and student distribution will happen, um, you will see eventually on the RS app on your profile or on the score section right here. So you see that there is the column which is called mentor. In case if you see that you already assigned a mentor, please contact him as soon as possible to schedule the technical screening interview. Um, the communication should be started by yourself because mentor could be busy with workloads, with vacations. So it will be great if we'll start the communication with the mentor. So in case you'll be given some contact details, uh, by means of that, you can reach your mentor and schedule the further interview. Um, Anna, do you have anything regarding the criteria of the students who will continue studying on the stage 2?
Currently, no. I guess we will discuss with mentors questions, criteria, and so on, and then we share this information with the student. Currently, I get that student who get 6 point and more, 10 is the maximum, will proceed the education.
Okay, but it should also be reminded that your interview results will influence in your further education. So please be prepared, revise all the topics from the stage 1 and practice in coding in order to be able to solve possible coding tasks during the interview. Uh, okay. Yeah, Stone, go ahead. You have something to say?
No, no, no. I didn't. I just rejoined, and my mic now is turned on, but I didn't want to say anything
Mhm.
actually. Sorry.
Okay. Uh, but at least the students will be allowed to take part into the next stage based on the task completion. So at least you'll be allowed to pass the interview in case if you completed all the assignments from the stage 1. With that exception, that's some, let's say, 1 or 2 assignments with 1 or 2 assignments skipped because of some, I don't know, circumstances like health issues or so on, or unavailability or some force majeure issues. So yeah, the criteria will be like the following, but the main criteria is the results of the technical screening with the mentor. All right, so that's everything regarding the news from my side. Guys, Anna, Andrei, do you have something else to highlight before we pass over to the questions? Seems like no. So please, guys, go ahead if you. Yeah, if you have something to say to us, please go ahead and mute and ask a question. Okay, Azad, please go ahead.
I wanted to ask you, have you chosen the 5 best bookshop designs or not?
Sorry, could you please repeat the question? Didn't get you.
I got. This week we will vote for the most interesting design, and till the end of this week I will share information related top 5 and update the score for the students.
Okay, thanks.
Bezut, go ahead.
Yes, thanks. Pavel, I'm right now checking the student ranking table, but I think for most of the students haven't been assigned a mentor, right?
Yeah, because mentor assignment has not been happened yet. So what I'm telling is that this week the assignment will happen. So this is currently in progress.
But I'm just seeing that only for Anna Dirazzi is assigned, mentor is assigned for this student.
Don't worry.
Guys, please don't worry. I'm working on it. I should assign 100 people, student with the mentor. It's a little bit hard work, so I need time. Please wait
we should
1 or 2 days and everything will be fine, I hope.
Okay. Thank you so much. Clear.
All right. Anything else? Seems like a state is not on the call, so there is no. Okay, so go ahead with your question.
Hello. Is there some limit point for tasks such as a shelter or a bookstore?
Do you mean the maximum point that you could be given for completion of the shelter?
Yes. The
As usual,
minimum
100 points, and in case if some of the criteria doesn't match, so some deduction of point could happen, but the maximum point is 100.
Okay, thank you.
All right, are we good to go? Seems like, yeah, there is no more. All right, then, in this case, thanks everyone for joining. So, final recommendation to be prepared for the upcoming interview, and yeah, And good luck for passing the next week. Thanks, everyone. Have a good week and good luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good
Thank
week.
you. Have a
Bye-bye.
nice week, guys.
Thank you. Bye.